Hi everyone, Happy New Year. This is Ryan. I've just got time in between rain showers to get Flint out for a quick test ride. Now I've altered the float level on the carburetors. So let's see if that's improved the ride, and hopefully that will be sorted. Okay, so she started easily. What's that all about? This is warming up, but still though, I wouldn't expect the rest to do that. The tick over's a bit low, but it's ticking over. Right, let's go and get suited up, take her out. Okay, so I've just got back from a test ride, been out about 25 minutes. Let's start with the positives. Tick over's much better. Definitely ticking over on both cylinders, so that's improved. Tank appears to be holding fuel at the moment, no leaks from all the petcock that I've just reinstated. Also, front suspension, I'd forgotten that I overhauled that since I last rode the bike. Much better. The front end actually felt quite stable, quite positive. Brakes, not great on this bike at all. They work perfectly in the garage, but when you get them out on the road, they still feel a bit sketchy. So I think there's more improvement to be had there. However, negatives. The rev counter still screams. If it's up around 5,000 RPM, you then hear it started making the screeching noise, and if you tap it, the screeching noise stops. So I don't know if that can be addressed or if it's going to have to be replaced. More importantly though, I think it's only running on the right hand cylinder at higher revs. So when the main jet kicks in, I think there's a problem with the main jet on the left hand carb, which is frustrating. But it's just not pulling, it doesn't have the power in the high revs. And what I noticed is the exhaust, when I came back immediately after a ride, the right hand exhaust was much warmer than the left. But on tick over, they both get equally hot. So, yeah, I think that's it. I think that on revs, on throttle, the left-hand carb's still letting me down for some reason, which is frustrating. But anyway, I'll have a look at that. Maybe I'll try switching the carbs out completely and see if that makes any difference. But that's all I've got time for now. It's just a quick run out. I couldn't do any commentary on the ride because I just don't have the microphone. But look, thank you very much. I'll see you all again very soon. Thanks for your support.